Most people are asking the wrong AI question. They are asking, what tool should I use? ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, Perplexity, Copilot. That question matters, but it is not the most important question. The better question is this: what kind of user am I becoming? Because the truth is, the user matters more than the tool. Now, let me be clear. Tools matter. Some tools are better for writing, some are better for research, some are better for coding, some are better for organizing information, some are better for images, video, voice, or automation. So I am not saying the tool does not matter. I am saying the tool matters less than most people think. A weak user with a great tool will still get weak results, but a strong user with a decent tool can produce surprisingly good work. Right now, a lot of people are stuck in what I call the tool chasing trap. They hear about a new AI tool, they sign up, they test it for 5 minutes, they do not get the result they wanted, then they assume the tool is the problem. So they move to another tool, then another, and before long they have 10 AI subscriptions, 20 saved prompts, and no consistent workflow. That is not an AI strategy, that is digital clutter. The real issue is usually not that they picked the wrong tool. The real issue is that they have not learned how to work with AI clearly. Here is the simplest way I can say it. The tool is the amplifier. The user is the signal. If your thinking is unclear, AI will amplify that confusion. If your instructions are vague, AI will produce vague output. If your goal is fuzzy, AI will guess. If your judgment is weak, AI may sound confident and still lead you in the wrong direction. But when the user is clear, AI becomes much more useful. A better user gets better results because they know how to guide the tool. The first skill is context. Most people give AI a task, but they do not give it the situation. They say, write me an email, create a strategy to make this better, give me a post. That may work sometimes, but it usually produces generic output. A better user gives context. Who is the audience? What is the goal? What tone is needed? What constraints matter? What has already been tried? What does a good outcome look like? That changes everything. AI does not just need a command, it needs direction. The second skill is asking better questions. A lot of people use AI like a search box. They type a question and expect a perfect answer, but AI is more useful when you treat it like a thinking partner. That means you do not just ask for an answer. You ask it to compare. You ask it to challenge assumptions. You ask it to find risks. You ask it to give options. You ask it to explain trade-offs. Instead of asking, what should I do? Ask, give me 3 options. Compare the risks, benefits, costs, and likely outcomes. Then recommend the best option based on my goal. That is a better question. And better questions create better thinking. The third skill is evaluation. This is where a lot of people get into trouble. They copy whatever AI gives them because it sounds polished. But polished does not always mean accurate. Polished does not always mean useful. Polished does not always mean aligned with your audience, your business, or your actual situation. A better user reviews the answer. Is this true? Is this specific enough? Is anything missing? Is the tone right? Would I actually say this? Does this help me make a better decision? What could go wrong if I use this as is? That is where human judgment matters. AI can help you think, but you still have to own the decision. The fourth skill is execution. AI can give you ideas all day. It can write drafts, it can summarize, it can organize, it can recommend, it can critique. But none of that matters if you do not turn the output into action. A better user turns AI output into a next step, a checklist, a message, a training guide, a decision memo, a client deliverable. a video script, a hiring process, a business workflow, that is where the value shows up. Not in the prompt, not in the tool, in the implemented result. Let me give you a simple example. A weak prompt would be, write me a LinkedIn post about leadership. You will probably get something that sounds fine, but generic. Now compare that to this. Write a LinkedIn post for mid-level managers who are overwhelmed by constant change. The message is that leadership is not about having all the answers. It is about creating clarity when people feel uncertain. Use a practical, conversational tone. Make it sound human, not corporate. Keep it under 180 words, end with one clear takeaway. That second version will almost always produce a better result, not because the tool changed, because the user got clearer. That is the point. Better users give better direction. So yes, learn the tools, test new features, pay attention to what is changing, but do not confuse tool access with skill. Having access to AI does not make you good with AI. Just like owning a camera does not make you a photographer. Owning a microphone does not make you a speaker. Owning a gym membership does not make you fit. The tool gives you access. Your habits create the outcome. So here is a simple framework. Before you blame the tool, check 4 things. Number 1, did I give it enough context? Number 2, did I ask a strong enough question? Number 3, did I evaluate the answer carefully? Number 4, did I turn the output into action? If the answer is no, the problem may not be the tool. The problem may be the workflow. And that is good news, because you can improve the workflow, you can get better at context, you can get better at questions, you can get better at evaluation, you can get better at turning ideas into results. That is how you become a stronger AI user. So yes, the tool matters, but the user matters more. The future does not belong to the person with the longest list of AI apps. It belongs to the person who can think clearly, ask better questions, evaluate the answer, and use the output to make real progress. Before you chase the next tool, ask yourself, am I using the tools I already have? Well, that question may save you time, money, and frustration, and it may help you get much better results from AI. If you want practical ways to use AI for better work, better leadership, and better decisions, subscribe and keep building the skill.